I don't know which planet she's living in. She's saying there's no inflation, there's no unemployment, rise in unemployment, there's no rise in prices.
Completely dissatisfactory answer, very politically motivated, biased, vindictive.
Finance Minister actually was replying, to particular state governments and making it very political.
She always gives political speeches in the budget reply.
I don't know which planet she's living in. She's saying there's no inflation, there's no unemployment, rise in unemployment, there's no rise in prices. So I don't know which planet she's living in.
महाकुंभ इस समय धरती पर और 144 साल बाद सबसे बड़ा महाकुंभ हो रहा है और भारत सरकार ने महाकुंभ के लिए कोई पैसा नहीं दिया।
Nothing has been said by the Honorable Finance Minister. He is blaming all the states. States are not spending money. States are not spending money. Then what for you are? When you have released the fund to the state, you have not given the data. Which state is not in a position to spend? You are not releasing the data. Nothing is there. He is comparing with the UPA 1, UPA 2. Listen, UPA 1, UPA 2, UPA 2 did not work properly. That's the reason UPA 2 has been taken, people has rejected them. Now you have come for 10 years. What you have done, you tell us. Nothing. Completely dissatisfactory answer, very politically motivated, biased, vindictive.
I don't think it was a reply to the discussion which happened in Parliament because a lot of pertinent questions were raised. But then Finance Minister actually was replying, to particular state governments and making it very political. So that is what she was targeting at, and she did not actually reply to many of the issues which were raised.
It is very unfortunate that the top ministers were absent. Prime Minister was absent, Home Minister was absent, Defence Minister was absent, Health Minister was absent. There are only the top ministers were absent. It shows the non-seriousness of the budget. While opposition parties, particularly the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji, DMK leader TR Balu ji, Akhilesh ji, all of opposition leaders were present, but the government is not taking the budget seriously. We know that this budget is a hollow budget. This budget is not for the people. It was only she meant to do politics over the opposition parties' rule states. That she always gives political speeches in the budget reply. We all know that they will always choose certain quotes of some leaders. Usually happens with Nehruji. This usually happens with somebody else. This time it is Raghuram Rajan. BJP always uses halfway whatever they are saying it. Cut paste is their model of politics. They are done this time with Raghuram Rajan also.
क्या उनके प्रधानमंत्री को ये भी ज्ञान नहीं है जो वित्त मंत्री जी को ज्ञान है कि रुपया नहीं घट रहा है, डॉलर बढ़ता है, तो फिर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने क्यों कहा था उस समय कि जैसे जैसे रुपए का मूल्य गिरता है तो देश की स्वाभिमान गिरता है। तो अपने प्रधानमंत्री को समझाएंगे। और आम जनता के समझ में आने वाली बात तो ये नहीं है कि नहीं रुपया नहीं गिर रहा है, वो तो डॉलर बढ़ रहा है। ये कहीं शिक्षक होती है अगर तब तक उस कॉलेज से निकाल दी गई होती।